Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech and audio gear. Today, we're diving into the world of car audio with the Boss Audio System's CH6930B Chaos Series 6x9-inch car stereo door speakers. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable upgrade for your car's sound system, this might just be the perfect choice. First off, let's talk about the sound quality. The CH6930B is a three-way coaxial speaker system that delivers a full range of audio, which means you'll get clear highs, deep mids, and a solid bass experience. With a maximum output of 400 watts, it can handle a variety of music genres and provide crisp and dynamic sound to fill your car with rich tones. Whether you're a fan of rock, hip-hop, or electronic, these speakers will ensure you hear every detail in your music. What sets these speakers apart is the build quality. They feature a durable polyurethane cone, which not only ensures great sound but also guarantees long-lasting performance. The rubber surround adds additional durability, ensuring the speakers can handle the constant abuse that comes with being in a car environment. The piezoelectric tweeters are another highlight, as they are highly resistant to overloads, meaning you don't need to worry about damaging them with loud volumes. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the coaxial design, which allows the components to be mounted together. The speakers are designed to fit into most car door slots, making them a great option for those looking to upgrade their system without the need for complex modifications. The sturdy stamped basket provides a solid platform for the speakers, helping reduce distortion and ensuring that the sound remains clean and clear even at high volumes. These speakers are backed by Boss Audio System's 3-year warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. The CH6930B speakers are designed for users who demand high-performance audio and reliability, all while staying within a reasonable budget. Overall, the Boss Audio System's CH6930B Chaos Series speakers offer a fantastic balance of power, durability, and sound quality. Whether you're replacing old speakers or upgrading to something more powerful, these speakers are an excellent choice. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth audio gear evaluations.